I'm with Stuart Karten, who is the principal of Karten Design, which is based in California. The design company won a couple of awards recently at the International Design Excellence Awards program, and the first award was for a hearing aid, and the second award is for something that dental professionals are a little more familiar with, the Discus Dental Zen handpiece. I thank you for your time, Mr. Karten, and congratulations.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Okay. When can you tell us a little bit about the award itself? Was there any particular part of the design that you recognized for in particular?
Well, the awards are probably one of the highest prestigious design awards in the country. It's a collaboration between our professional society, which is the Industrial Designer Society of America, as well as through Fast Company magazine. And the award was for the product overall, and I think it was a lot of what they look at is not just the overall appearance and styling, but they look at it from a functional standpoint and really what the product can do for people, whether the users themselves, the hygienists, the dentists, or for the actual patients, the benefit that they receive as well.
If you have the liberty to do so, can you tell us a little bit about your collaboration with Discus Dental on the project? Was there, did you have any goals in mind when designing this?
Yeah, I think the primary goal was to untether and create a cord-free, wireless, if you want to call it, solution that would accomplish a couple of things. It would give the hygienist more flexibility and in terms of how she held the equipment and how she was able to use it, so she wasn't tethered by the long cable that normally is on the end of the drill head that she's using to do the prophy work, and to actually make it portable so that they could take this with them in the field. We learned about a number of occasions where hygienists go out in the field, whether they're dealing with people who are infirm or elderly who can't make it in to visit their dentist, and now they have the ability to take the tool with them and perform that work in the field.
Was there any particular obstacle in developing a wireless, lighter handpiece?
Yeah, I think the biggest obstacle is that it takes quite a bit of force to actually drive the prophy head. And because there's pressure that's applied to the teeth with the prophy head, we needed a high torque and high powered motor in there to accomplish that. And so we worked with an outside firm called Zymedica that did all the internal engineering to make that happen. And then we were focused on the making sure that it was the right shape, the right size, and that it had some features that were, addressed the disposable piece as well as sterility and the ability to sterilize the unit.
Is this the first dental instrument that your firm has worked with?
Yes, we have. We've spent time in dental operatories. We've interviewed hygienists. We've interviewed dentists, and we've designed products that go into those spaces. For this particular project, we actually went back out into the field and spent quite a bit of time doing research, design research that we used to drive the design effort by really understanding what their needs were, specifically hygienists who are the primary users of the product.